If anything, I'ma grind. Somebody tell them that it's my time. Somebody tell me why they hating on me. Somebody tell them start hating on me. Yeah. Somebody tell them that I'm not lying. Somebody tell them I will outshine. Anybody think they gon' replace me? You know I am who they say I wouldn't be. Yeah, you know you gotta win, fight, conquer. I promise to go in, I won't lie to your honor. I promise to come in and destroy my opponent. I promise no man want it bad as I want it. Somebody go and tell them that.
Alright, so I'm starting out with my Anastasia brush and my dip pomade in the color chocolate. I also have the MAC pomade in the color deep brunette. And I'm basically just going to go ahead and saturate the oval end of my brush in the pomade. I'm using my eyebrow cutter just to shape up my eyebrows. And I'm going to start with a line at the bottom of the brow. So after I get my line right, I'm going to the top of the brow. Gotta get that arch. And then you're just gonna connect the two lines at the end. Using the spoolie part, I'm just gonna blend that out and make sure that everything is blended in. And then we're gonna do this all over again for the opposite eye. Now that we're done with the brows, I'm taking my MAC 242S brush, my Juvia's Place in the concealer in the color 10, and I'm gonna go ahead and carve out those brows. I did flatten out this brush as much as possible using some duo glue, so that's just a little trick if you were trying to get your brush as flat as possible. So after kind of tracing out your brows, I just take my finger. Sometimes I do a brush, but to be honest, after doing my brows over the years, I did learn that sometimes you do have to utilize your fingers and just go ahead and make sure that everything is smoothed out. Make sure you carve that tail. Like, the tail part is the hardest part of carving your brows. Go ahead and use the rest of that product on the brush and just blend it out. Now I'm taking my LA Pro Girl in the color I think it's creamy beige, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a little highlight under my brows. Like I was saying earlier, I use a Juvia's Place 10 because it doesn't have the additional light, but that LA Pro Girl gives me the light that I need, but I only do it at the bottom. Just gonna go ahead and make sure everything is the way that I like, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching my video. This is my 5-minute brow tutorial. Make sure you guys are liking these videos, commenting, and please subscribe. Bye.
Think I'm the shit, big as it gets. Rich cost a brick, I look like a lick. Dior